Did you know that you can graph an inequality on a number line and on the coordinate grid? Let's take a look at an example. X is greater than 5. Here's our inequality. Now let's start by graphing this inequality on a number line. Here's our number line. Now our inequality says that x is greater than 5, but it doesn't include 5. If it included 5, then we would have x is greater than or equal to 5. But this isn't what we have. We have x is greater than 5. So we're going to put an open circle at 5 because the solution for this inequality doesn't include 5. Then we're going to draw an arrow this way, showing that the values greater than 5 are going to work for the solution for this inequality. Now let's graph this inequality on the coordinate grid. Here's a coordinate grid. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a point at positive 5. Now x is greater than positive 5, but it doesn't include 5. So we're going to draw a dotted line right here, right through 5. And it's a vertical dotted line. Then we're going to shade all of the values greater than 5 because the values in this shaded red area will work as a solution for this inequality. Let's take a look at another one. Y is less than or equal to -2. Let's start off by graphing this inequality on a number line. Now, y is less than or equal to -2. So we're going to put a closed circle at -2, and we're going to draw our arrow going this way to show that all the values less than or equal to -2 will work as a solution for this inequality. Now let's graph the inequality on the coordinate grid. Now, when we had x was greater than 5, we put a point at 5 on the x-axis. Now we have y is less than or equal to -2. So we're going to put a point at -2 on the y-axis. Y is less than or equal to -2. So -2 is included in the solution set, so we're going to draw a solid line right here. And then we're going to shade the values less than -2. That would be this area right here. So any value in the blue shaded area is going to work as a solution for this inequality. Here's one more. Y is greater than 7. Let's graph it first on the number line. We start by putting a point at positive 7. Now, y is greater than 7. It's not equal to 7. So we're going to put an open circle here, and we're going to draw an arrow showing greater than 7. Now we're going to graph the same inequality on the coordinate grid. Y is greater than 7, but it doesn't include 7. So at 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're going to put a dotted line across showing that 7 on the y-axis is not included in the solution set for this inequality. Then we're going to shade all the values greater than 7. That's where the solution can be found for this inequality. And our work is now complete.